Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free, that is a $99 USD for generative AI leader exam voucher. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. First, join the Google Cloud Launchpad for the women. There's a GAIL edition APAC 2026. So you can boost your career with the in-demand cloud AI skill with the women professional across the Asia. So this event is the part of the Google Cloud Launchpad for the Women series and help participants gain practical expertise, Google, cloud computing, generative AI, and including participation for the Google Cloud Generative AI Leader certification. So what to expect? So there's a free expert lead training session to on Google Cloud and AI tools, hands-on learning and real-world use cases. So you can apply generative AI or your organization, networking with the industry leaders and peers, support and resources to advance your cloud career. So whether you are business professional, developer, cloud, uh, and this program aims to boost your confidence, skill, and all the career opportunities on the cloud first world. So region is the Asia APAC. So edition is 202C. This is the GAIL edition. GAIL means Google Cloud Generative AI Leader, and certification focus on the Google Cloud Generative AI Leader GAIL. So unlock your potential with the Google Cloud, and this is the registration link. We'll go through the registration link. So when we'll open this link, so you will get like this. So Google Launchpad for the Women International Women Day Edition APAC, and main thing is that so we'll go through the step by step. So program journey. So attend the 2-day virtual generative AI leader training event for 2nd and 3rd March 2026. This event hosted by the Google Cloud Training and agenda include the through the panel discussion with the leader from the Google Cloud and receive the complimentary generative AI leader certification exam voucher after 2-day training event. You will receive the complimentary exam voucher which retails to $9.99, and this is the one main thing is there. So join the certification prep and official hours. So this will be on 10th March and 17th March. Get certified, register, complete to generative AI leader and certification exam between March 3 to March 30th. So the first 500 to pass the exam will receive the $50 voucher for the Google Cloud Perks portal. So each certification voucher is valid for a year from the issuance. If you take the certification after the 30th March, you are not eligible to receive the F swag voucher, and government employee are not eligible for the swag. So agenda 2nd March, you can go through this agenda, and there is a 3rd March and 10th is there and 17th is there. Now we'll go through the registration, and among the first customer and partner to get the certified with the GenAI from the Google Cloud. So click on registration. So you can register with your email address. So there is one thing is there, access code. So this access code you have to get it, and for this access code you have to go through this line. If you are a Google Cloud customer or partner but don't have the access code, please complete from the request one. We'll verify the eligibility and send you the code eligible on this is the link. So this is for the Google Cloud customer and partners, not for the all till now. So access code request Google Launchpad for the women and Gen AI leader edition. So all the details is there. You can change your email address and name, first name, last name, and company name, and you need a corporate email address. Corporate email address required to qualify a certification voucher. So without corporate email address, you won't get the certification voucher. Then personal email address, then from which country you are belongs. Just fill up this form and submit this one. So Go through the step-by-step process to get 100% free 99 USD generative AI leader exam voucher, and this is for the partner and Google Cloud, as I told you before. So this is for the cloud customer and partner. So not for the all. So now disclaimer is that all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. So share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question on the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Don't and follow the process exactly shown in the video. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.